Welcome to Whiteboard Friday, a series of short videos in which we're going to explain our tools to you. Today, again about the pipe scanner. Today I'm going to explain you what do you need to perform a pipe scan. First of all, here you see the pipe scanner and the data logger. The data logger has all kinds of different signs on it. Before you do a pipe scan, please make sure the battery status is still okay. And, of course, also check if you got the right color of the pipe scanner, which we explained in the previous video. Then, before you do a scan, you also need water, so please make sure you've got a tank full of water which is on pressure. Approximately 20 liters should do it. Then, before you do the pipe scan, please do a circumferential measurement. This can be done by a flexible measurement tape. Then the final step is to clean the pipe wall. To be able to do a good scan, the pipe surface should be smooth and clean. This can be easily done by just putting water on the pipe and rub the dirt off. So, hopefully you found this Whiteboard Friday very interesting, and please make sure you don't miss the next one because we're going to explain something very interesting. Thank you very much.